Hello everybody. Since my last video, we've had a few people that subscribed. For those of you that just subscribed, welcome. My name's Tahina, and today I'll be unboxing the Ipsy Seasonal Surprise Box. I am an affiliate, but for some reason this box, this time, they did not give them to anybody like they usually do. Usually they'll send them like a couple of weeks ahead of time, but they didn't do it this time. So a lot of it is a surprise. I did see Ipsy show 2 of the items, and I haven't been able to go on Instagram or Facebook because every time I go there somebody posts what's in the box, and I didn't want to know what was in the box. So I did see some stuff. Some stuff I seen, and I have no idea what the hell they are. So, it should be a surprise. Okay, I'm just showing this because I added this so I could get the box without the label and everything. But they still taped the box though, so there's like tape all over the box. I don't know. Okay, so I did get this cover. I haven't gotten a Hello Kitty cover yet, so I decided to get that. So let's get into the box. Okay, so here is the card. The box theme is reduce stress, reorganize, and reset. Okay, so we have tissue paper. It's silver this time. I like that. And it says, fall is proof that change is beautiful. Okay, so let me scoot this box over and let's see what's in here. Okay, so the first thing that I see are these markers. Is this the marker that I see in the sneak peek? I think so. Yeah, the purple one I seen. Ipsy did a sneak on it. Let's see. Let me look for it on the card. Okay, ballpoint. Is that a ballpoint? Ballpoint pen set is a sneak peek. So this will be on the website for $9.50. And let me get... Okay, I'll get a sheet and let's see how they write. Okay, it seems like they're all black though, which kind of sucks in a way. Well, I guess it doesn't suck because I usually write with black ink, but I do like to write with colors too, so that kind of sucks that they're all black, but they write good. And I'm a lefty, so there's certain pens that skip on me and stuff like that, but because of how these pens are, I don't think they're gonna skip on me. Okay, so, okay. Here are the 2 things that I seen and did not know what they were. So they are ornaments. That's weird. So let me get this out the way. That's weird, because I was thinking, well, they look like ornaments, but they would put that in the winter box, wouldn't they? I guess not. Okay, so, and they open up. Is it? Okay, I think that's a magnet, so when you open them up. Okay, and they're, you know, it's like cardstock, like light cardstock. I don't know about this item. And I'm assuming this is, oh no, this is a sneak peek. These are actually going to go on the website, and they're $8. And you get both for $8. Which, I don't know, if you like that kind of stuff. Me personally, I don't know if I would put this on my tree or anything like that. what I might do is I might hang them on the wall in my office. That might be what I'll do. And you can tell how big and how small they are. So, I don't know. We'll see if I'll even bother with those or not. Okay, so the next thing that I see, what the hell? Is this an eraser? Yes, this is an eraser, and this is exclusive. So this won't be on the website. Okay, and it's one big eraser. I don't want to take it out of the package because I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. But it's cute, but I don't know. It's like too big, you know. Like if maybe it was like this big, it'd be better. Or if it was like 3 pieces, that'd be cool. But I think it's too big, so I'm not too sure about that one. Okay, so the next thing is hexagon sticky notes. I did see this. Somebody posted it. And I logged off as soon as I seen it. Now, this I'm going to open up because I'm definitely going to use these. Okay, and there's a bunch of different sizes. I want to say, I don't think there's 25 of each. There might be 20. Okay, is this a sneak peek? This is a sneak peek, and this will be $6.50. Now, it looks see-through. Yeah, a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So those I would definitely use. So I don't have an issue with that. Okay, so the next item is a card. Is it a card or a couple of cards? Let's see. What this is. Metallic stationery set. And it's an exclusive, so this won't be on the website. If I can get these out. Okay, so hello friend. The pattern, a purple pattern, like the box. And keep your head up, keep your heart strong. So I'm sure they're blank inside, as usual. I'm not going to open these up because I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not either. Okay, so the next thing I see is a decorative tape. Oh, it's got the asterisk. Oh, okay, I thought it was another, like a whiteout or, you know, something like that, or a sticky tape. Let's see. This is a sneak peek, so it will be on the website for $7. Okay. Oh, and they're tiny. Okay, mine was already messed up right here, but that might just be because it's the beginning of it. That's cool. You can use this for like headers or washi or anything like that. That's cool. It's very tiny though, but I will use that. Okay, so the next thing that I see is the cover. I did see the cover. Somebody messed that up for me, but the best time for new beginnings is now. That's cool. I kind of like, I usually like the covers that they give in the fall box. This one, to me, is just a little too plain. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'll use it, but I just thought it'd be something a little better than that. Okay, so the next thing that I see are some sticker sheets. Some sticker sheets that are usually in the box. And we just have some deco leaves, which is fine. And I can already tell I'm not going to open these. I'll probably use these, but I can already tell if you get the Sticker Club subscription, it's on the same paper. So I'll definitely use those. And I'm pretty sure those are going to be an exclusive. Yes, those are always exclusive. And the last item in the box was the sneak peek that Erin Condren showed. And this is a sneak peek. Okay, good. Because I was like, oh man, I want to get 2 boxes. But I decided just to get one. And this retails for $28. So, okay, good. Because once I use this up, I'm probably going to buy another one. And maybe when she puts them on the website, they'll be in different colors. Like maybe black and purple and stuff like that. Oh yes. I love this. Okay, so I might have counted it wrong. But I believe there's 26 sheets for 26 weeks. So you would have to get 2 of these for a whole year. Which is fine. I don't mind that. But I really do like this. This is really good quality. And 28 is a little high. But if you could feel this, it's really good quality. Like super good quality. So I can understand why it's 28. And, you know, use a 20% discount code. Okay, they don't stay in here. Does this one? Okay, so the back goes in this little pouch. So they might just do like refills too. I don't know. But that would be a good idea, since you can take them out, to have refills for like $15 or something like that. That'd be a good idea, hopefully. But like I said, they might have different colors. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this box. Was it better than the summer? Yeah, the summer seasonal surprise box? Or what do you think about it? It's 50-50. Like, it's like a regular surprise box. Like, one of the boxes I totally loved. I think I loved every single item in the box. And then there was one box I didn't like anything in the box. And this one is going toward how usually it is, where it's like, some items I like, some items I won't use. But let me know how you think of it. I would love it if you like this video. And I would love it if you would subscribe. I'll see you next time.